we are going to plan out some of these wild ideas in our head and get them onto paper so that we can think them through. This can be used for any project that's mulling in your mind and rolling over in your thoughts to help you stay organized, get a better idea of what you are working on, and also to ignite the things that you write down. Because while they are in your mind, they definitely don't have anywhere to go and certainly feel like pipe dreams. So, whether you are doing a large project, a small project, or just trying to wrap your mind around something, there will always be a way out if you get the random things in here, the mushy mashy stuff, onto a piece of paper so that you can move them about like little sections and start to organize your next steps. All right, I'll see you in the next video, after which we can connect in the sketchbook journal.